In this video, I will show you how to enable the dial pad sounds on your Android phone. This is the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, similar to Google Pixel. On your phone, it might be slightly different. I have the phone app from Google, and I'm not sure if this is going to make a difference if you use another phone app, but it might be in the settings of the phone app. So what I have here now is the dialer of the phone, and I'm just pressing keys. I'm not calling yet. So there is no sound. It's quiet. To enable the dial pad sounds, I open the settings app, go to the settings, and on the settings go to sound and vibration here. On sound and vibration, scroll all the way down to the end of the page. For you, this might be different. It might have a little bit different name or in another place, or they might be combined, some of the settings here. And you have the dial pad tones. Dial pad tones is, you would hear this noise, the tone, when you press it. It could be useful as a confirmation that you pressed the key. And also, I'm not sure if this affects some of the automated system, or you have to press a key. I think it's sending that key anyway, even if you hit it or not, but this is the option to use the dial pad tone. This might actually help you with some automated systems to send the correct key. So now the setting is enabled, and I go to the phone app. It's the same like the old style phone. Sounds nice. Some people claim that they could even recognize a sound from this. At some point, I could recognize the home landline number from just dialing this, and I could even say it now. If I hear it, I would know it. So it's a good way to memorize a number with sound instead of the actual numbers, if it sounds right. I don't know if it makes sense, but this is how you enable the dial pad tones. So now the dial pad tones are enabled. Every time you dial the phone, you will hear the sound. Thanks for watching.